Good evening, friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Trend Spotter Shubham. I am back with another exciting video on market analysis for tomorrow, where we will see how markets performed today, whether they performed as per our analysis, and how are they expected to perform tomorrow. Before we start with our analysis, make sure to join my Telegram channel Trend Spotter Shubham, where you will get live market analysis, buy sell recommendations, answers to all your stock queries, and much more. So without wasting much time, let us start with today's analysis. So let us start our analysis with Nifty and let us directly jump to our Nifty analysis. So if anybody is a regular viewer of my YouTube channel for Nifty analysis for tomorrow, he or she must be knowing that last week I had marked 17,300 to 400 level as the last resistance level for Nifty. I had marked three levels, one was for support and two were for resistance. 17,300 to 400 was the last resistance level. And above that I had not marked any other resistance. And we can see that once Nifty crossed 17,400, it has made a non-stop rally and today it has placed itself at 17,800. So Nifty has made a non-stop rally and I was expecting 17,600 might be a small resistance, but Nifty conquered that also and has closed at 17,800 today. So this does show that Nifty has a very serious and very severe strength underlying the index. So let us see what we can expect for Nifty for coming few days and especially what we can expect for tomorrow. So we know that Nifty is under a very, very strong upside rally, and from 16,400 it has gone non-stop to 17,800. So one can argue that we might see some correction or some pause because Nifty has made a 1400 point upside rally without any failure. But the upside momentum that we see here is very strong, and closing for today was at its day high. So a correction in the market will not be that easy. Dips are being bought and they are being bought aggressively. So it will be very tough for the market to give any meaningful correction over here. But does this mean that there cannot be a correction and Nifty now has 18,000 levels to be tested? That is one possibility, but we can also see 17,800 has been a very severe resistance for Nifty, and it has tested this resistance many times and it has failed every single time. At 17,800, Nifty has faced multiple pressures and has cracked up severely from those levels. So once again, Nifty has closed at the higher range of this second light blue rectangle. It has closed right at this higher range, 17,800. And crossing this range can be a very tough challenge for Nifty. Nifty would make every attempt to conquer this and cross this level, but sellers might get aggressive and sellers might try to push the market down to around 17,600 first, or maybe even deeper to 17,400 and 500. So if Nifty has to regain this position of 17,800, it has two options to do that. Either it opens a gap up tomorrow above 17,830, 17,840. It opens somewhere around 17,850, and then a move of 150 to 200 points can easily come in Nifty if a gap up opening is seen at around 17,850 or plus. However, if we see a flat opening or a down opening tomorrow, sellers and buyers might enter into a tussle, they might enter into a fight, and we can see a range bound movement for a few days from 17,800 to 17,600 levels. However, if 17,600 is broken in near future, we might see a retest of 17,400 and 17,500 levels also, because this level has still not seen any meaningful consolidation or a meaningful base formation. The kind of strength that Nifty is showing does suggest that testing of this level is not required for Nifty at the moment, and Nifty is confident enough to hold this second light blue rectangle without any base formation in this region. However, if any weakness comes because of any news related to COVID or related to any lockdown, there might be some base formation even in the levels of 17,400 to 500. But however, as of now, the kind of strength that Nifty is showing, it looks like if 17,800 becomes a hurdle, then 17,600 and 17,800 can be a range for a few days, and we might see some heavy volatility in the index for a few days. However, if a gap up opening is seen tomorrow at around 17,850 or above, we can see testing of 18,000 levels by tomorrow or maximum by Thursday also. So what kind of opening we see tomorrow will depend, will guide the market for the rest of the day for tomorrow. Let us see what Bank Nifty has to show. So again, Bank Nifty has achieved my targets of 36,800. If you are a viewer of my analysis, then you might be remembering that I had given a target that Bank Nifty is showing some strength when Bank Nifty was consolidating in this region of 35,000, and I had told that 35,500 looks the first target, and crossing of this light blue rectangle, Bank Nifty has no stoppage in between, and Bank Nifty will have a target of about 36,700 and 36,800, which it has achieved finally. And we can see that Bank Nifty is stopping right here. So the analysis for Bank Nifty remains similar to Nifty. 36,800 to 37,000 is a resistance. This has been a supply and a accumulation zone. And if Bank Nifty has to cross this level, it has to spend some time in this region, and then next rally of about 5 to 700 points will open for Bank Nifty, which is also a possibility considering the kind of strength that Bank Nifty has. However, if Bank Nifty opens below this level of 36,800 tomorrow and it spends some time below the level of 36,800, then 36,500 and 36,200 can be a possibility by tomorrow itself. A correction in Bank Nifty is due, but the kind of strength that it is showing, it looks unlikely that a correction can come immediately, and the sellers will have to make sure that they do not let the market go up for a few days, and then only they can gain some strength. So for tomorrow, we can either see a sideways movement or a mild downside and then follow up buying coming in, and hence volatility. But a sharp downside by tomorrow itself looks very unlikely, because the kind of strength Bank Nifty has, it will take some time for the sellers to again become aggressive and to try push the market again towards 36,000 and 36,300 levels. So for tomorrow, our view for Bank Nifty will remain on consolidation side, some kind of volatility. However, if Bank Nifty opens above 37,000 for tomorrow, it can immediately test this third and final resistance and support level and can test 37,400 levels by tomorrow. So the kind of opening that we see in Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow will determine how the markets move throughout the day. A sharp gap up opening can see another good upside of 2 to 3%. However, if we get a flat to a downside opening, gradually within 2 to 3 or maybe within a week, we might see mild correction in all the major index, Nifty, Bank Nifty and mid cap, and we might see 2 to 3% correction if we are not able to hold up the crucial levels in the tomorrow's trade. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, do like and subscribe, do share the page, and also do not forget to check out my Telegram channel, Trend Spotter Shubham. Thank you, guys.